For a living, I'm the director of IT for a construction company. I was a home builder a long time ago. I got into IT back in the early 90s because it was a thing to do, and it pays better than construction. I do custom metalwork and custom woodwork, and the sparks and sawdust were starting to start fires. So, separate building for the metalwork. I still needed to be able to back my camper in between the two buildings so I could park it. And this was a space that wasn't used by anything. It was actually a big pile of scrub oak. The hardest part was picking a provider. The easiest part was once I selected Great Western Buildings. I have a real hard time paying anybody to do work that I know I can do. Although this was a bit of a bigger project than I anticipated, particularly with the trim. The concrete foundation was done by myself, the erection of the steel frame, the girts, most of the purlins, about half of the siding was done by myself. Honestly, the easiest part was erecting the steel frame. Best part of this whole experience, honestly, was getting to meet the folks from Great Western Building. They've been phenomenal. The customer service is, I don't even know how to describe it. It's well above and beyond. So I've got to say it's the people part of it.